Hello and welcome to Safe and Trusted Canada. This is a video tutorial about PDF uploads and how the business user can upload them to their management area for their business. The site allows premium plans to upload PDF documents to their profile. The standard allows one PDF upload. The advanced allows 5 PDF uploads, and the professional allows up to 10 PDF uploads. The size of the PDF upload is restricted to 2 meg. A PDF could be an application form, a restaurant menu, a restaurant menu, a price menu, a contract form, or even documents showing required standards such as liability insurance, compensation coverage, or more. Again, if you have these documents on your website, a better way is to have the professional plan, which allows the business owner to provide a direct link to these documents on the business website. These choices, of course, are up to the business owner. Thank you for listening to this video and have a great day.